In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Po AI app on Android. We will go from finding the app, to installing it, to signing in so you can start chatting with AI on your phone. First, open the Google Play Store. On most Android phones, you will see the Play Store icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. When it opens, you should see the main Play Store page with a search bar at the top and different app suggestions below. Now tap the search bar at the top of the screen. When you tap it, the keyboard appears from the bottom, and the search bar becomes active, ready for typing. You might also see a list of recent searches under the bar. Search for Po Fast AI Chat. Type the word Po, then Fast AI Chat right after it. As you type, suggested apps may appear in a list below. You can either finish typing the full name and press the search key on your keyboard, or tap the matching suggestion if you see Po Fast AI Chat show up. From the search results, select Po Fast AI Chat by Quora Inc. Look carefully at the app icon and the publisher name. The official app shows Po Fast AI Chat as the title and Quora Inc. as the developer. The listing also shows over 10 million downloads, which helps confirm you picked the correct app. Next, tap Install. The button sits on the right side of the app page, just under the app name and icon. Once you tap it, the button changes to show a progress indicator. You may see a small download bar or a percentage number as the app is being downloaded and installed. Wait for the installation to finish. During this time, the Play Store might show a circle slowly filling or a progress bar moving across. On a fast connection, this can take only a few seconds, but on slower internet, it can take a bit longer. When the install completes, the install button changes into an open button, which tells you the app is now ready to use. After that, tap Open. This launches Po directly from the Play Store page. Your screen switches from the Play Store to the Po Welcome or Sign In screen. You will also find the Po icon added to your app drawer, so you can open it later from there without using the Play Store. Finally, sign in or create a Po account. If you already have an account with Po, choose the Sign In option and enter your existing details. If you are new, choose the Create Account option and follow the prompts, which may include confirming an email or using a sign-in with another service. Once you finish, you land on the main Po chat screen, ready to start talking with different AI bots. You have now downloaded Po AI on your Android phone and signed in so you can start chatting right away. So if this helped you get Po running, a quick thumbs up would really help others find it, and you are welcome to subscribe for more simple Android guides.